This is a video of how to make a kayak cart out of used lawnmower tires from a riding lawnmower. They're 15 by 6, and also using iron pipe 1/2 inch with fittings and a little bit of PVC to keep the thing from tipping over. So these are all the parts. The axle is made from 3/4 inch steel tubing from Home Depot, sort of thin walled and drilled to accept the cotter pins to trap the washers. This is the kayak cart assembled. It's a little bit on the heavy side, but this thing will go anywhere. And this is the finished product. Right in the balance point of the kayak. Much better.